Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini die cutting machine step by step. First, place the machine on a stable table and plug it in. Check the manual for voltage and safety guidelines. Remove packaging and inspect rollers for debris. Gather mats, dies, and cardstock by size. Position cutting plates and die correctly. Confirm all components lie flat, then power on the machine and set to the recommended pressure for your material. Prepare materials by selecting the right mat and cutting plates for your project. Trim cardstock or vinyl to fit within the mat edges, leaving equal margins. Align your die face down on the material and secure it with low-tack tape if needed. Build your cutting sandwich according to the machine guide, keeping plates parallel. Perform a quick scrap test to confirm pressure settings, then load and crank steadily for a clean, even cut each time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make craft breaks neater and save time when you snack while crafting. I mentioned the product seen here as a casual tip to keep your workspace tidy and your lunches fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. With your sandwich assembled, line up the leading edge and feed it into the wheels, keeping the sandwich straight. Rotate the handle slowly or press the motor button evenly, watching for smooth passage through the rollers. Once through, carefully separate the plates and remove the die and material. Check the edges for full cuts and use a poking tool for any stubborn bits. For embossing, swap to the embossing mat and repeat the same steady feed technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.